Hello mga friends, meron tayo ditong isang wall-mounted tower rack. It's really nice oh. Ayan, so i-unfold natin siya, ganyan. And ganyan. Ganyan siya. So, as we can see, stainless steel po siya and all goldish yung kanyang pagkagawa. And it's really nice oh, it's luxurious and aesthetic. I really like the design oh, parang yung parang Victorian era design ba. It looks antique. Ayan. Tapos ganito idikit sa wall po. And then as we can see, meron siyang 1 2 3 4 5. Actually, pang 5 na kanyang bars. And then, meron din siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks. So, pwede siya sa bathroom and pwede din naman siya sa bedroom. So, ganyan siya. Ayan. Nag-try ako na isang snow towel. Ganyan siya. Oh, medyo heavy. Ayan. Ganyan. Ganyan sa towel. And we can use the other ones. And dito naman, pwede tayong mag-hang ng yung mga pants pa natin. Ayan. Or anything you can hang in there po. So, ayan. It's really nice, oh. And malaki po siya. Ayan, let's try to measure it po. Ganyan na siya. And, yung, ano ba to? Length? Yung length niya is like, 22.5 inches around. And then, yung width naman niya is, 13.5, around 13.5 inches. Yung height din naman dito is 7 inches. So, ayan, you can put as many as 5, towels para ma-maximize lahat ng kanyang bars and kahit ano na dito kung anong bet mong ilagay. So, it's really nice. It's a good buy po. Napa-aesthetic niya.